So hello everybody, I'm gonna make my breakfast today because I didn't eat breakfast. It's already 8 a.m. So I'm gonna cook this, what we call it in English. This is sayote. Sayote and some ingredients. That's my breakfast. So hello everyone, I'm peeling this vegetable or sayote. I didn't eat breakfast because I cleaned my backyard earlier. I just drink coffee earlier and then I cleaned the backyard because it's so messy because of the dry leaves. So that's why I need to clean the backyard to look good. Here I am. This vegetable is from my mother's house. Hi, Tantan. Kaya ito. Babalatan ko na siya para may ulam ako. I'm so tired. After I clean the whole backyard here in our backyard. Nakakapagod. So, dahil wala akong kapaguran, I need to prepare this kasi I'm hungry. It's already 8 a.m. and I didn't eat. What happened? What? So this is the sayote. I'm feeling this. Okay. Get myself. So I'm cutting this for tiny pieces. Tiny pieces. This is just our simple breakfast since my husband is not here. He's at work in Tacloban City. He's staying at work. So he didn't sleep last night with us here. So we're just here and the kids. Kagawa ng English day. So hello everybody. This is me, the simple Filipino girl. I'm the mom. Cutting those vegetables for breakfast. This is just a video here in the area because I'm not a traveler. I'm just a homebody person, so all you see in the videos is taken here in our house. So I hope you judge me by doing this. I'm just trying hard person. Isa lang akong simpleng nanay na may pangarap. I have a lot of dreams, but I need to work hard. Caring for my family.
Mama, makaon.
So, inutusan ko pala si Natalia bumili ng oil and dried fish. It is for our breakfast. Say hello.
Hello. Mama.
Since the ingredients are ready, I put the pan in the gas stove. So, I will now start cooking. I will put the oil. Pasintabi po sa aking kawali. So, sorry sa aking pan because panahonan pa yun ni Kupong-Kupong. Charis. So, ayan. So, we're gonna put the garlic. And the onions. So, this is just my simple breakfast, everybody. After sauteing that, I'm gonna put the sayote. The breakfast is ready. I have here rice, a dried fish, I fry it, and the vegetable. Wow! So this is my simple breakfast, but this is so yummy and healthy. So, bon appetit everyone! Let's eat! Happy tummy! So, this is just my simple breakfast. So, yeah. The kids are done eating their breakfast. So, I'm the only one who didn't eat my breakfast. So, I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry now. Thank you so much! So, after kong kumain doon, naligo ako because today is Nathaniel's birthday. So, his family is naghanda ng handa niya. Naghanda sila ng foods para sa birthday boy, Nathaniel, the birthday boy. So, ayan. Simpleng salo-salo with his family. Thank you so much!